And then you see like garbage everywhere, and that breaks my heart.
Good morning, guys. Now we're standing outside of our property that we're in a second gonna show you. It actually sounds like a construction site here, which actually is correct.
Yeah.
But behind us we're having the second largest statue in the whole wild world. Look at this. It's huge!
Yes.
It's actually 121 meters high,
And 65 meters wide.
which is crazy. Yeah, huge. Now, this statue is actually over 30 meters higher than the Liberty State in America. And it's located in Uluwatu in Bali. And a fun fact is actually that it took over 30 years to build this huge monster of statue. Now we're gonna go in and show you our resort, which we call the Zero Waste Resort here in Bali. Are you ready to show them that? Yeah, let's go in.
So we're standing outside the Casa Asia, which is a resort located in Uluwatu, Bali, where we are currently at. And what's so special about this resort is that they have adapted a zero waste mentality in how they run things in here. And that's awesome. We love that. And it is also super beautiful. So let's go inside and take a look. Now it's time to look at the room.
Okay, let's go into this master bedroom and see what we're having. On the left hand side you can see a big bed over there. We have some side tables and everything is made in wood in this room, as you can see. And it's high in roof, so it's pretty minimalistic at the first sight, right? We have a TV on the wall here, we're having a hanger there, and then we're having a wooden table with a wooden stool there as well. So you can see, pretty minimalistic, but also like a zero waste thinking when it comes to this room. If you look over there towards the toilet, let's walk there, you're gonna be able to see a super big mirror hanging on the wall. This is like every girl's dreams, also some boys' dreams. Actually, it's my dream. And then you can see we're having some hangers in here, so we can hang our clothes in here. We're also having like a safety box here, so we can store our passports if you'd like to. And then on the left hand side, now you will notice some echo because we're going into the master bathroom. Look at this. Hangers on the left hand side. There's the toilet. We're having a rug there. And on the right hand side, look at the size of this mirror. And also on this sink. It is huge, guys. You can see me. We can like stand like 10 people on a row here and you can still see everyone. You're also having a hairdryer here and some outlets, which is pretty rare. You can see that all the details, all the shelves in here are in woods. And also look at the doors. Let's close this one up. The doors are also made in wood. Look at the details, guys. This is super nice. And also the hangers are having some kind of like wooden details here. And even this little guy is made out of wood. We have wood here, which means eco-friendly. And look at the shower. I think this is the best part. Look at this shower head. This is super big. So we really love this bathroom. As you can see, the mirror is huge. The sink is also huge. It's wooden doors. This is like a dream, right? There's also one more thing that we would like to show you.
So when you're sitting on the toilet and you have some spare time, you can actually read some very useful information about how Casa Asia is recycling things like water and garbage, and also inform the guests on how we can help to create a better environment by, for example, closing the tap water while you're brushing your teeth or soaping in the shower. And also, if there is any problem with the water, you can tell the staff, or you should tell the staff immediately. And also, you can decide for yourself how often you need to change the towels. For example, you don't need to change them every day. Maybe you can have them 2 or 3 days before you change them. So that is super good information. Even the hangers are made of like bamboo, which looks pretty awesome as well. So here is the front of our room, just a chill area. I love this place. So now we're standing in the resort and you can actually see the statue just behind us, which is super cool.
Yeah, it's 121 meter high, which is like 1 or 2 meters higher than us, right?
And here we have the pool, which they are cleaning right now, so we'll be able to use it tomorrow. And some pretty nice sunbeds. And over there is where they make our pizza. So let's go into the dining area. So here we will be eating our breakfast. And now you can see the area where they're making the pizza better from here. And here we are waiting for our food. And here we have a little library. So in this library you can borrow a book or you can donate one. And also if you have one with you, you can exchange for another one. How good is that? And here we have a pool table. How much fun! And here we have the restroom, the toilets, and now it's time to order. So here we have the menu, and it's made of paper, no plastic, as you can see. And also here we have a cloth tissue, which is so much more sustainable. And the water is served with a glass bottle, so no plastic bottle. I'm loving this. The first thing that we saw was this. You can buy one already here in the reception, and they are talking about the plastic bottles and how it is not good for the environment, which is super good. So guys, buy a water bottle. Let's take a look at the pool now.
So seeing how these resorts are working with zero waste, I think it's wonderful. And you also should know that there's a lot other resorts out there that is working for this, and it's like communities for this zero waste kind of thinking, because it's horrible what we've seen in the beaches, in the streets. There's plastic everywhere, and we don't blame the Balinese people, we actually blame the tourists coming here and throwing like garbage on the streets, on the beaches, destroying the environment everywhere.
Yeah, and that's really heartbreaking to see that, because it's so beautiful here, the nature, the beaches and everything, and then you see like garbage everywhere, and that breaks my heart. What can you do, we do, to make it better? You can make small changes that in the end make a big impact. And those small steps could be just saving water by not let it run while you brush your teeth, for example, or buy your own water bottle that you can refill, and that is so much better for the environment. And also a very simple thing is to buy less things.
Yeah.
If you actually think about it, you don't need all that stuff. So like we have done, we are traveling pretty minimalistically, and that is super awesome. I love it.
Me too, me too.
Yeah.
Less things, happier life, right?
So that is just some tips from us that we have adapted that you can do too, or maybe you have already done that and have some tips and tricks for us that want to travel more environmental friendly, right?
Yeah, definitely. That would be awesome if you would like to share them with us in the comments down below. And thank you so much for watching this video. Hope to see you in the comments. Bye.
Bye.
Look, I look like an angel. I look like a murderer.
Oh, yeah. Okay, let's take a look inside.